If you're listening to this talk, you know the impact on both a personal and professional level produced by 2020. The COVID 19 pandemic and its economic impact brought about numerous unforeseen challenges to businesses and demonstrated how they must adapt going forward. It is especially true for the healthcare industry. However, there are many things for companies in this space to be excited about. Now that we are in 2021 and conditions begin to stabilize, the technology solutions available today are unprecedented and will be pivotal in driving transformation and desired business outcomes, both for the near and longer term. My name is Sonal Malavia, President of Cloud9 Infosystems, and today I would like to share my personal experiences with digital transformation in healthcare. Not too long ago, I received a call from my friend where she expressed her concerns about not being able to provide physical therapy due to the current climate of COVID 19. I just mentioned to her, why don't you try Microsoft Teams? She was hesitant initially and thought it was not possible. However, I was able to walk her through the entire Teams application and implementation. She was amazed by the use of how quickly she could expand her technology and digital skill sets in her business. It was indeed an aha moment for her. Coming from a healthcare background and spending over 20 plus years in the field as an occupational therapist, I have experienced firsthand how technology has changed the face of healthcare as we know it today. I cannot fathom now how I was so successful without the ability to leverage today's modern day cloud applications. I worked with each application running in their silo and the system connectivity, along with data storage, which was inefficient, inaccurate, and expensive. Fast forward today, and many companies are putting their homegrown applications in the cloud on AWS or Azure or other providers. But they do not genuinely leverage the cloud's power. It is like the old days of DOS when Microsoft Windows was released. It could use a window and a mouse for those of who you remember, but they were not able to use or take the advantage of the Windows interface. Similarly, today, many applications are being hosted in the cloud, but not taking full advantage of the platform. Instead, they remain on cloud servers. Cloud enables these companies to make their SaaS applications more available and impactful by leveraging the infrastructure platform, connectivity, security, resiliency provided by the cloud and associated providers. While we have been discussing the pain points with some of our healthcare clients, they are experiencing, we can share that most of them want to collaborate with hospitals and federate with them to open their applications to collaborate with their partners. Now, Cloud9 can exactly enable that through what is now a commonly used acronym of digital transformation. I want to share with you today one of my leading physical therapy providers facing challenges whom we are engaged with currently. The client is focused on getting positive physical and occupational therapy results for their patients through primarily in-office services. Now, their mission is to provide the highest level of quality care. Whether the patient is living with chronic and nagging pain for years or if they recently experienced an acute injury, their providers help find the root of pain to provide efficient, effective, and lasting relief in most cases. Now, the historical quality care approach means they need to spend significant one-on-one time with every patient to thoroughly diagnose and help resolve their source pain through safe and effective soft tissue treatment. They then educate and supply the patient with guidance needed to use at home to speed their recovery and minimize the risk of future injuries. Now, the problem was transforming from a mostly in-office experience to a virtual one without degrading the patient experience and the outcomes. COVID-19's times have, want client to improve rapidly, efficiently, and cost-effectively. We have been working closely to deliver the tools and technology to enable physical or occupational therapy delivery virtually, leveraging Microsoft Teams, M365. So far, the results have been seamless, and the most current CSAT matrix show that the customer experience has improved historically. Now, they can now bring effective and efficient virtual care to their clients with convenient, affordable, and effective digital solutions. The healthcare provider of the future connects the patients with an experienced provider and gives you the tools you need to live pain-free from your home's convenience. Now, this entire team's experience can be customized with APIs and can be tailored to unique customer experiences. Things that would take months to build or integrate, now with the cloud, we find it takes weeks to get to the finish line. The cloud enables you to take your applications faster to the market, reduce your TCO, and increase your ROI on the investments. Our client can now monitor their patient injury recovery outcomes through a combination of follow-up appointments and in-app messaging systems. This client and others continue to offer remote patients increased convenience and flexibility while still providing meaningful real-time care. Patients can upload any imaging or previous medical files related to their current injury through the patient portal account system. Providers now can access to patient and clinical data regardless of the source. This kind of digital solution and services offering is instrumental for the future. Our client connects their patients with an experienced provider who will help them understand their patient's condition, prescribe an individualized recovery plan, and give them the tools they need to live pain-free through advanced cloud communication and technology. With exciting new technologies that are changing the face of everything from cutting-edge medical research to how you see your family physician or even a physical therapist is truly unimaginable. The digital transformation revolution, for apparent reasons, also puts much focus on client safety, security, and privacy. Most cloud storage providers feature HIPAA compliance to ensure the proper treatment of client information. With the advent of more secure environments and data integration, analytics, and reporting tools, healthcare professionals are slowly beginning to utilize the cloud to store client data. Security is no longer a concern as cloud providers are on the cutting edge of keeping enterprise assets secure. Another trend in cloud-based diagnosis system. These are the tools that implement machine learning and predictive analytics to make medical diagnosis and recommend treatments along with a host of other applications. It can also be used to bring together disparate data sources to positively affect patient outcomes and areas like financial, social, structure, provider-generated data, health and wellness data, and patient-generated data. It is proven that all of this data can be brought together to allow advanced analytic solutions to do the heavy lifting so that providers can rapidly enable and respond to what the data is telling them. The organizations transform and has continue to transform with digitalization, and now they know the employees can work and improve better through their internal processes and with the latest IoT technologies. By the end of 2021, it is anticipated that 50% of generation is populated with tech-savvy millennials. We as organizations reinvent and reimagine, and we know the potential of technology. However, the fundamental challenge is not the technology being available, but truly unlocking IT's potential. We help customers to build solutions that are relevant to the industry, customers, and market. In the fast-moving digital transformation landscape, organizations operating alone will not have the necessary people, processes, and technology to meet their needs. Therefore, to partner with a provider like Cloud9, it is paramount to ease and increase the transformation success. Digital transformation is reinventing business as we know it. Every enterprise like yours faces either innovation or extinction. Successful organizations make most of their transformation by empowering people to achieve more with the right kind of technology. By defining a clear vision and strategy is key to developing a vital roadmap to help move organizations forward. Second, creating a unified and elastic culture that invites diversity, allows for change to be positively accepted, and amplifying your organization's unique potential, what you currently must have or what you can become. And also developing your organization's capabilities continuously helps you to improve productivity and efficiency. What has been confirmed in the past is especially true moving forward. With every opportunity, there are challenges for successful transformation and implementation. Many companies have built sophisticated systems over the years, but were restricted to work within their local environments because there were no smartphones or cloud infrastructure available. With the advent of cloud, all those applications can take advantage of the platform to collaborate with their partners while providing a highly secure environment. We have helped companies navigate Active Directory and enable their applications to securely extend them beyond their corporate boundaries. The cloud offers to extend applications securely and make them genuinely cloud enabled to collaborate with their partners, leveraging Active Directory Federation services, AD-B2B, and AD-B2C technologies. Digitalization is changing the way we do business on a global scale. With cloud, data analytics, and AI capabilities, companies can now understand behavior, market dynamics, and align their interaction with the right IT investments in previously unavailable ways. Now, digital transformation can help companies reach new customers, grow into new markets, reduce costs, and most importantly, deliver better experiences. The global pandemic has profoundly affected every industry and every aspect of our lives. For business owners, especially women, the challenge is keenly felt both at work and home as these work environments are now fully merged. Therefore, it is fitting that this year's theme addresses this reality and finds ways to cope and capitalize on the many challenges required to continue to be successful both as an individual and company. Even with the unknown headwinds in the post COVID 19 world, there is a massive opportunity for growth globally, not only for current businesses, but also for creating new customer segments, communicating with them, and new business models, advantage of today's cloud technologies. There are many currently public clouds available options like AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google, etc. But what you see is a multi-cloud future. There will not be just three big cloud offerings, but several specialized clouds which are built on these platforms or independently running for niche industry workloads. Now, if 2020 has taught us anything, it is to expect the unexpected, to minimize your business impact. IT solutions such as cloud environments, cybersecurity solutions, business continuity, and disaster recovery strategies will be a focal point in 2021 to ensure businesses can remain operational when, not if, the unexpected occurs. I never thought that COVID 19 is bringing people apart in a year, and we were being forced to be disconnected from the world. That is why the kind of work we do at Cloud9 is to bring the connections and bring the people back together and make meaningful connections through digital cloud technologies in the imperia of disconnectivity. Cloud9 team is all fired up and incredibly inspired in making these connections in this most disconnected times. Thank you so much for your time. If anyone has any questions, please visit our website. Thank you.